Cynthia Carrion? Who is this woman? Her name just came out because of Carlos Yulo. But watch the entire video, you'll get to know more of Cynthia Carrion. This is Roberto from the Philippine Pride channel. We feature everything, anything Filipino. Welcome. There's not a whole lot of information that you can find on Cynthia Carrion. Nothing about her family, nothing about her husband, and nothing about her kids, although she's married with kids. But three things we need to know about Cynthia Carrion. She and Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, they were classmates. It's either in Ateneo or University of the Philippines. She was also the chief operating officer of the Philippine Tourism Promotion on 2010. And lastly, she was responsible for the success of Carlos Yulo. And on the topic of Carlos Yulo, he was the main event on the last birthday party of Cynthia Carrion. Do you know how old she is? Leave me a comment down below. If your answer is correct, have fun. And in the most recent event, Cynthia Carrion, Eliza, and Carl Yulo had an interview and they were preparing for the 2028 Summer Olympic Games in Los Angeles, California. More gold, more power for Cynthia Carrion. Maraming salamat po for watching. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and notification bell. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you.